Welcome back to another quick guide. Today, we'll walk you through how to search jobs on LinkedIn by location. To search jobs on LinkedIn by location, we have few steps for you. First, open LinkedIn and sign in. Go to linkedin.com and your browser. Make sure I sign in with your credentials. Click on the Jobs tab. On the top navigation bar, click Jobs to open the job search section. Enter job title or keywords. In the search bar, type your desired job title, for example, software engineer or sales representative. Enter a specific location. Click the location field next to the job title search bar. Type the city, state, or country where you want to find jobs, for example, Arizona, United States. If you want remote jobs, click Remote, then on the drop-down menu, toggle Remote, then hit Show. Apply filters for better results. Click All Filters to refine your search, or just use the provided filter tools here. For example, date posted. You can choose for last 24 hours, past week, etc. Then hit Show. Experience level, like entry, director, or executive. Click on your chosen level, then hit Show. Company. Click on your chosen company, then hit Show. Sabre apply the jobs. Click on job listings to read the description. Click Easy Apply for quick applications or apply if there's any to go to the company's website. And once done, click Save to apply later. And that's all for now, folks. Thanks for watching.